kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving your favorite dishes and your favorite recipe. And I'm happy to give you such a nice, lovely recipe. Anyway, I did 2 recipes with garlic before, and honestly guys, a lot of people love it. I get a lot of feedback from it. The reason why I give you this kind of recipe, there's a lot of people have stomach. I want to get rid of the stomach, want to be healthy, get ready for summer, want to have their self fit and ready for summer. Anyway, summer gonna be a brilliant time, which a lot of people do the exercise, eat healthy, and want to be really ready for summer to wear the nice, just the nice, going out. You know what I mean? The sexy this and the sexy that. So that's where the ladies want to get for summer. Well, I want to simply say to you, if you go on my YouTube channel, you can see those 2 videos which I did about garlic. You will see exactly what I'm talking about garlic. The best way how to use garlic to lose weight, to remove belly fat, is this way. Get 3 cloves of garlic, lukewarm water, honey, and lemon. Those 4 things is really good. It is 3 things with the glass. It's really good. And I'm going to simply say to you guys, if you want to do this at home, honestly, it's the best recipe ever in this whole entire world. And I'm going to give you a recipe of honey, lemon, and also garlic. Do this at home. Before you eat anything in the morning, you need to do this first if you want to lose your belly fat. I'm telling you, I used to have a massive tummy, and my tummy is gone because I've been doing this over the last, it is a month now since I've been doing this. Because I'm a chef and I work in a school, you know, chef always have stomach. My stomach is gone. I feel healthy, I feel natural, I feel the way I feel. I can even explain it to you guys. Honestly, you have to try it for yourself. So what I want to simply say to you, if you want to give the garlic and the honey and the lemon a try, if you cannot eat the garlic, you can drink the water. But please do it in the morning and do not eat anything. Just do it natural, alright? Before you eat anything. That's more healthy, and that's the way it's going to be work, and that's the way it's going to be effect in your system. So guys, if you want to lose your belly fat, if you want to take away that, if you want to be flat tummy, that's the best way to go, is to go the natural way by using honey, lemon, and also garlic. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming up for you. You can also check on the other rest of the video. I will put the link below where you can watch those videos. Thank you so much guys, and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team. Donate to the YouTube channel. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So this is my glass right here, and also I have 3 cloves of garlic. 1, 2, 3. All right. Simple. What we're gonna do is to crush the garlic. Remove those dry bits from the garlic. That's the best way how to remove the shell from the garlic. As you can see, that's the 3 cloves of garlic. Nice one. Get your glass and put your 3 cloves of garlic inside of it. Not boil the kettle. Get some lukewarm water. If you boil a kettle, let it cool down to lukewarm. What you're gonna do, you're gonna pour some inside of the glass like this. That's lukewarm water. And all you're gonna do is simple. I'm cutting half of a lemon, and I'm gonna squeeze it inside of it like this. As you can see, I'm squeezing it straight inside of it to get all of the lemon juice from the lemon. Lovely. So that's half of a lemon, and that's finished. Second thing, you're gonna get 2 teaspoons of honey. That's 1. And that's 2. Alright? I know what you're gonna do. Simple. Give it a mix. And this is exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. Really nice and beautiful, guys. What I want to simply say to you, basically, guys, you can do this in the morning when you wake up and drink it, but please don't eat anything because it won't affect. You have to do it this way. If you eat something, it's not gonna work. You have to do it this way. Do not eat anything. Do it on an empty stomach. That's the best way. Second thing, if you notice, if you can eat the garlic, please drink the water. And also, it is lukewarm water. Second thing, if you can eat the garlic, it's even better. And I know you guys will love this recipe because this can help you to lose your belly fat. A lot of men have big stomach. This is really good for them. Lemon, garlic, and honey. Please, I'm asking you, give it a try and tell me what you think about it. Guys, this is one of the best recipe ever in this world. I did 3. This is gonna make the 3 recipe I did. This flush your system. This clean out the whole entire body and renewing a fresh newborn body. What this do to you guys, to be honest, it just do a miracle inside of your body. So guys, if you didn't do it before, please give it a try. If you can eat the garlic, drink off all of those water. And also, what you can do also, you can do the same thing like this from the night before and drink it in the morning. It's even better. Just cover it, leave it on your work surface table, like your table where you do your kitchen. Leave it in the morning. Garlic, honey, and lukewarm water. I didn't boil water, it is just lukewarm. Alright? So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching my cooking show.